Hey everybody, Joshua here on the YouTubes, and today we're discussing solar power, what the state of the market is in the US and in North Carolina, and what the cost is for you to install some solar panels on that roof. Stay tuned. Let's start right off with the good stuff. In North Carolina, the average residential solar installation will cost you around $15,000 after federal tax credits and depending on if you are buying or leasing. Now I have a separate video which you can click on above that talks about tax credits specifically and when they're expiring, that sort of thing. But either way, those federal tax credits for solar are reducing at the end of the year. Well, what does that mean? Along with the current solar tariffs that are going on, the very short payback time, and the still high rates paid by utilities and net metering, it means it's a great time to get a solar system. Not that solar system, that solar system. Now for how the industry is doing in general and where it's headed. In North Carolina, total solar installed accounts for over 6,100 megawatts. What exactly does that mean? I don't know, but what I do know is that's enough solar power to power 722,000 homes and ranks second in the US currently. That's almost 6% of the state's power, and in 2019 there were over 6,600 solar jobs in the state. Nationally, over the last decade, solar has experienced an average annual growth rate of 48%. Solar currently produces 78 gigawatts of power in the US. Who knows what that means either, but that's enough power to light up 14.5 million homes. That's a lot. 250,000 Americans work in the solar industry, and it generated $18 billion, yes that's billion with a B, dollars worth of investment in 2019. Want to learn more about solar costs? Please visit solarestimate.org for a more accurate estimate and solarreviews.com to find installers in your local area. The solar industry is strong and thriving and is only forecast to get bigger over the coming decades. Please visit the show notes down below for links to get more information on solar energy, and don't forget to hit the subscriber button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.